Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your background wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different ways. If you have an image on your desktop that you want to change it to, just right click on the image and select Set as Desktop Background. And that should hopefully be able to be enough for most of you guys. Otherwise, you can right click on a blank area of your desktop and select Personalize. And then you could scroll down and select Background. And then you could choose an image that's default, that's one of the sample images that Microsoft provides, or you can also browse your computer for a photo. And you can also select a color as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.